Hello, how are you all? Hope you guys doing well. Welcome to my channel Technaz. This is my first drawing tutorial video in which today I'm going to tell you about No Tobacco Day through my drawing easily. If you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel quickly. Also like, share and comments on this video. Support me friends. Click on the subscribe button. In this video, I draw the smiling earth, having hands holding no smoking/tobacco sign, which means if we avoid tobacco smoking, so our earth will be happy. The environment of earth will be calm, clean, and pure by this initiative. Every year on May 31st, the world observes World No Tobacco Day to raise awareness about the harmful effects of tobacco and smoking. Tobacco is one of the leading causes of preventable diseases and deaths worldwide. Smoking not only damages the lungs but also affects the heart, brain, and many other parts of the body. Millions of people suffer from serious health problems caused by tobacco use. Even people who do not smoke can be harmed by secondhand smoke. The message of World No Tobacco Day is simple but powerful: choose health over tobacco. Quitting smoking can improve your health, protect your loved ones, and lead to a better future. Every smoke-free day is a step toward a healthier life. Through this drawing, we support the global fight against tobacco and encourage everyone to spread awareness in their communities. Together, we can create a cleaner, healthier, and tobacco-free world. Thank you for watching, and remember your health is your greatest wealth.